Friends, in last lecture we discussed that parser and parsee concept. What is parser? Parser, it is a second phase of a compiler. With the help of that we are going to construct a parse tree for the given stream of a tokens. So there are different rule which is to be performed by the parser. First one is it will keep the track of line numbers. Second one, it will generate the parse tree for the given stream of a tokens. Third one is it will generate the error if available. And next one is it will generate the symbol table. Parsing is the process of determining whether a stream of token can be generated by a grammar. Parsing method, there are two parsing methods are available: top down and bottom up. Top down parsing construction start at the root and proceed to the leaves, and bottom up parsing construction start at the leaves and proceed toward the root. These processes are exactly vice versa. Top down parsing, it is a technology which will start the parsing from top node or root node or parent node, and construction is traversed up till to the leaf node. In bottom up parsing, exactly is opposite. Here we will start a construction of a parse tree from leaf node to the root node. We already discussed these things in a top down parsing and bottom up parsing method technologies in unit 3rd. Now top down parser are easily to build by hand, because there is it will handle the concept grammar which will not left recursive and not ambiguous. So we will easily build a parse tree for the top down parsing. There are two top down parsing techniques: predictive and recursive descent parsing. And in bottom up parsing, it will handle a large class of grammars. They are not easy to build, but tools for generating them directly from a grammar are available. Both top down and bottom up parsers can the input from left to right. So for bottom up parsing, there are different techniques are available. Bottom up parsing is also called a sheep reduce parser. There are different techniques are available, that is operator precedence and LRK techniques are available in bottom up parsing. SLR0, LR1, LALR and CLR, these are the few different techniques. Handle and pruning, these are the different techniques which are available in bottom up parsing. Here we are going to discuss top down parsing. It will done by starting with the root and label with the starting non-terminal statement, and repeatedly performing the following two steps. At node n, label with non-terminal a, select one of the production for a and construct the children at n for the symbol at the production body. Find the next node at which a subtree is to be constructed, typically the leftmost unexpected non-terminal of the tree. The current terminal being scanned in input, frequently referred to as the look ahead symbol. Okay, there are different techniques are available in top down parsing, which is recursive descent parsing, which is also called as backtracking, and next one is predictive parsing, which is also called as without backtracking technique. This is the top down parsing example. Statement is nothing but your starting symbol, expression, and statement implements or implies expression, or if expression for other. These are, and other will have different expression are there. Yes, just like this is the example for top down parsing, how we are going to construct a parse tree for the given string. Yes, this is the another example for creation of a parse tree. So top down parsing, yes, suppose we top down parsing is an attempt to find a leftmost derivation for input string. Suppose we have, this is the example of a recursive descent parsing. Suppose we have a grammar that is S produces CAD and A produces AB and we have a W string that is CAD. In first production we will produce CAD, and in second parse tree we will generate CAD, and A produces AB, but our string is CAD, that is add. That will here we will backtrack, and again capital A produces A. So in this way we will produce our string. So this is for top down parser. Thank you.